Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm Benidorm Mad Mike. We do videos on Benidorm, around Benidorm, let you know what's going on. If you like the videos, don't forget to like and subscribe and enjoy the video. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Jack's there. Still open. The problem is this year as well, the weather's gone against people. It has got a bit cooler than it normally does. Still a few folk out, but there you go. I don't know if they've got entertainment on this afternoon or what's going on. They usually do entertainment in the afternoon and stuff. And they got something on this evening. I would have thought they'd have something because now they can do the entertainment again. Rockstar there, I think they may have shut up, have they now? This has been open, they've tried. I don't know. It doesn't look like they're open anyway. I think they made a mistake with going on the table, the app on the table, and then you've got to order your food through that. The bar's open there. The big curry place is gone now, down here. Used to be in there. I don't know whether they went before lockdown or over lockdown. I was told it was good curry in there as well, but I don't think we ever went in. Okay guys, I will try and get these 3 up today. 3 videos I've done. Hopefully it'll work out. I'm down on my viewers a bit now, so I'll have to start borrowing Martin's phone, get in and do what we can. The telly pizza over the road there. And the hotel there. Can you see the name on that one, Marcus?
No, I'm not too sure what that one's called.
They look like they're open.
Actually, tell a lie, I think
That's got it.
that hotel there is Hotel Bellboy, not part of the Hotel Bellboy maybe.
So there's one we found that's open. There are a few hotels open in Benidorm still. just hope they got enough pride to survive over Christmas. Pay the staff their wages and so forth. I don't think the staff will be moaning too much about working over Christmas this year. Yeah, there it is.
I think of lots of the staff this year in bars, restaurants and hotels will probably be trying their best to get that extra bit of overtime.
Yeah, just try and make the money up a bit. There's a big Japanese, is that a Japanese restaurant? Yeah,
Japanese restaurant.
That's just on the end of the hotel there. Is that all one hotel, Marcus? Yeah?
Yeah.
Welcome over to the... Yeah, the name's hiding in behind the trees there, as Marcus said. Okay guys, come round. Oh, sun's starting to peek through now. We've got coats and stuff on. It was that miserable when we come out, that cold. Just gonna have a little walk down here then. I don't know whether some of these bars are going to open or what. They've got Christmas decorations up. They don't look like they're going to open, but maybe they're waiting for by Christmas. Maybe a couple of weeks before. And then see where they go. If we get any Christmas trade. The market seems to be open. A lot of people are hiding inside now. Seems to be a lot of plastic screens come out. Just block this wind off a bit. Definitely a lot smoother using this phone. It looks to be better quality film as well. So if Marcus doesn't mind me borrowing his phone for 2 months, shall I get my new one?
No. Not happening, that.
You do it. do a 3-hour live stream on my phone last night. We've come out this morning and we've done one 10-minute video, and battery had died, so hopefully that'll be alright. Okay guys, I'm going to leave it there. Let Marcus have his phone back. Thank you very much for letting me use your phone, Marcus.
You're welcome.
Like and subscribe as normal, and we'll see you on the next one.